Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we can wake up the screen by pressing the Chrome button, and after you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And you can press and hold on this current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here you should see the list of watch faces. You can scroll through it, find the watch face you would like to use, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, you can see that under the watch faces you have this custom option. You can tap on it, and this allows us to change the style, then color, and then functions, so basically widgets. You can tap on the function and then select something. Okay, and basically once you've done, you can press the Chrome button to apply the changes. We can also change the watch faces through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So if we bring the phone right here, zoom out the camera. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health. In the app you can tap on devices, select our Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro, and here you should see this watch faces category or my faces. First, let's tap on my faces. This is the basically list of watch faces already installed on your watch, and you can find the watch face you like and tap on it to select it and apply it like this. But you can also download additional watch faces. So for example, if you scroll through the my faces menu, open some category, and then tap on watch face, you can tap on install. It will start downloading, and then after it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch. And here we have it. But you can also use the watch face store. It's here under the connected. You have this watch faces category. You can tap on more. It will open the watch face store, and here you can basically buy and download additional watch faces. I'm gonna open the free category, find something we want to install, and then tap on install. It will start downloading and installing. Okay, and of course the installed watch faces will appear right here on the list of local watch faces, the ones that are installed on your watch. And you can remove them if you run out of space. You can tap on X on one of the watch faces, tap on OK, and the watch face will be removed, and then you can install something else if you were missing space for watch faces. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.